So, you've implemented your login logic for EOS and would like to playtest it on the same PC in the editor. You can do this by logging in with two different login methods. Always launch in standalone game mode for multiplayer testing. But what if you want to use two Epic accounts? With persistent login method, both will log in to the same account, and opening the account portal and typing in each account credentials would be a tedious task. For multiple Epic account logins, EOS has a great auto login feature in its developer tool. Let's go set it up in our EOS integration kit settings. In auto login section for auto login type, select developer tool and set use EAS for auto login. Now in editor, open EOS integration kit, drop down menu and launch dev tool. Use default port and start dev tool. Log into your Epic accounts. Each should be named context_1, context_2, etc. Don't close the dev tool. Minimize it instead. It should remain open in the background for auto login to work. Now I need to make some changes to our login logic. Yours might be different, but the essence of implementing auto login should be relatively the same. Here, I check the EOS login status. If it's false after a short delay, I auto login with persistent credentials if the user has logged in the past. If not, we create a login widget to choose the login method. To add the dev tool auto login, we will create a macro to check the auto login progress. First, we need to know if the auto login was even attempted to start. For that, we will use get auto login attempted status. Add a branch. On true, we get auto login in progress status to check if we are auto logged in or not. Add a branch. Now we will check login status for auto login progress. Now on false on login status, we add delay to loop the login status check. As we know, auto login is in progress, but we might be not yet logged in. Bring output node to end of our auto login logic and connect true to it to make a pin and rename it to success. Now let's connect failure pin from auto login attempted status branch to output node. Rename it to failure. Also connect failure pin from auto login in progress status branch. Now we have our macro to check if we're using auto login, and if we do, so we check its progress within we're logged in. Now only thing that is left is to add the auto login to the mix of our login logic. In my case, I added it after checking that we are not logged in and after a small delay. Since this is a game instance, we must include a delay, as this class initializes too quickly for the auto login system to start. Now, if the auto login fails, we proceed with our initial login logic. If it succeeds, we then initialize the main menu. It's testing time. Again, make sure it's standalone game mode, as this only will work if launched in standalone game. And here we have it. One client window is logged in as Linksmith Studio and another one as Linksmith. For the last, I will show that depending where you try to proceed with auto login check, you might need a delay or it won't work. Like you see, it went to fail, and that means we get to login selection menu in my case. This is it on how to use EOS auto login with dev tools. Thanks for watching.